Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your FitCloudPro smartwatch. The first step is to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch and install the application from your application store. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter some personal details like your birthday to access the application. The smartwatch is now connected to my phone and the time has been updated. Now follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch. As you can see, the wallpaper has been changed on my smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.